Understanding question card in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, question card. This phrase is often used in educational settings and various interactive scenarios. Let's dive into its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand it better. A question card is typically a card or a piece of paper that contains a question meant to prompt discussion, testing, or interaction. It's a tool used in classrooms, games, workshops, or team-building exercises. The primary purpose of these cards is to encourage conversation, provoke thoughts, or assess knowledge. In educational contexts, teachers use question cards to engage students in learning. They might contain quiz questions, discussion topics, or prompts for creative thinking. In game settings, question cards serve as a way to guide gameplay. They might contain trivia questions, challenges, or tasks that players must complete. In during workshops or team-building activities, question cards are used to encourage interaction among participants. They often contain icebreaker questions or topics for group discussions. Let's look at some examples. Educational question card. What are the 3 states of matter? Game question card. Name a country that starts with G. Workshop question card. Share an experience where you had to overcome a challenge. These examples show how question cards can vary based on their context and purpose. That's all about question cards. I hope this video has helped clarify what they are and how they're used in different scenarios. Remember, these cards are a great way to foster learning and interaction. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to share it. Happy learning!